How to search and add friends in the Riot application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily connect with friends by searching and adding them in the Riot application. Whether you are using Android or iOS, here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the Riot app on your device, and once you're inside the home page after logging into Riot, go ahead and click on the Social tab from the bottom center. Inside the Social tab, you'll see a Friends tab where you need to go ahead and tap on Add Friends. On the next page, enter the Riot ID of your friend or their tagline. Make sure to type in the correct Riot ID and tagline, and with the ID and the tagline, you'll be able to search for your friends. Go ahead and type in the Riot ID on the left, and then in the tagline, enter their tagline. Type in the tagline of your friend and then click on Send. After you do that, your friend request will be sent. You can also tap on this scan icon and then scan your friend's QR code so that you can instantly add them. So that's the process on adding friends in Riot. Once they accept your friend request, you'll be able to be friends in the Riot account. So there you have it. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.